Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Peter Rabbit, so let's get started. To draw Peter Rabbit, we're going to first start by drawing his head. So right here I'm just going to start with a curve, and this is going to be right on top in the center. And from there I'm just going to bring it down and widen it out. So this is the usual dumpling shaped heads that I give to most of my characters. So we're just going to bring this around. So it's always kind of wider at the cheek area, and then just flatten it out towards the bottom. And connect. So there, got our little dumpling shaped head in. From there, let's come up here. We're going to draw his ears. I'm going to start about right here. So I'm just going to give myself 2 points. I know to center my ears. So that's where my 2 ears are going to come from. So let's start over here, and I'm just going to bring it up and give it a slight curve, and then round it off and bring it right back down. So let's do the same thing for the other side. So we're just going to go up. As we come up here, just give it a slight dip. I just kind of want to make sure it's about the same height. So round it off and bring it right back. There. Okay, so then let's come inside for some details. I'm going to start about right here. It's going to be a little bit thicker on this side. Go up and come back down. So same thing on this side. It's going to be thicker on this side right here. And come down. So there, we got the ears in. Now let's bring Peter Rabbit to life. So right here towards the bottom, right here in the center, I'm going to start with his nose. So just give myself a point, so about right there towards the bottom. And I'm basically just going to draw kind of like a widened out V for his nose. From there, I'm just going to straight line down in the center and curve it out for his mouth. And you can cap it off. And then let's come up to right here towards the edge and put a circle for his eyes. I'm just going to draw so cute eyes. So same thing on this side. Okay, so now let's make them draw so cute eyes. And 2 small highlights, so 2 small circles inside. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. So lines at the bottom right here. And do the same thing on this one. Okay, so we have the 2 eyes in. Now let's come up here. I'm just going to draw a curve right on top of each eye. Pretty cute, right? Now to draw all the whiskers. So I'm going to come to the side right here and just draw out just maybe 3. And so same thing on this side. So middle one's a little bit shorter and longer, however you like it. And then now let's draw his body. We're going to center it. So about right here, I'm just going to bring out a curve for his shoulders. And then in here, another curve that's going to come down a little bit more. So this is going to be the start of his jacket. And from there, I'm going to bring out a curve. So this is where his hand bends. So just about right here, I'm going to pass this line. And then in here, oops, I went a little too high. And then curve it down. So it's the same thing over here. Now it'll start to make sense. So bring out a curve. And then another curve. And so then bring this down right here. And connect this all together for his elbow and his arms. So bring it all the way around. There. So the same thing on this side. and connect it. Okay, and then let's come in here and draw his little paws. So about right here towards the center, I'm just going to bring in a little curve. Same thing on this side. And you can come in here and just draw a little curve to finish off his jacket sleeves. And then let's bring in a little curve right there, so where the jacket folds in. From there, let's finish off his jacket. So I'm going to come about right here, just imagine this curve continuing. And so then about right here, I'm just going to bring out a curve. So let's do the same thing on this side. About that long. And then we're going to come over here, bring out another curve, and connect it. So same thing over here. Curve and connect. Throw his jacket in, and then from here we're going to bring in a curve for the bottom. So about right here. And just go ahead and connect it. There. And then over here we're going to draw his little feet. So a little curve and connect. There. And then wouldn't have been complete without a heart, right? So let's give Peter Rabbit here a little heart on his jacket. And that's about it for our Peter Rabbit. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.